Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. Okay, my dear students, a very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. In today's class, we will do a new concept. Okay, in your last class, which concept you have done? Yes, we have done comparing numbers. Very good. In comparing numbers, we know about the smaller and greater number and smallest and the greatest number also. Yes. Okay. And today we will do the concept of ascending and descending orders. What are the ascending orders? Do you know? Ascending orders are to arrange the numbers from smallest to ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. नंबर्स को स्मॉलेस्ट से ग्रेटेस्ट में अरेंज करना इज कॉल्ड असेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स. एंड व्हाट आर द डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर्स? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स टू अरेंज द नंबर्स फ्रॉम ग्रेटर टू स्मॉलर. ओके, फ्रॉम ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर टू स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर we will arrange the numbers and it is called descending order. Okay, today is 5/5/2021 and the topic is ascending order. First of all, we will do the ascending orders. After then we will do descendings also. Okay, here we have four numbers: 4, 5, 2, 9. We have four numbers and we have to arrange them from smallest to greatest number. Okay, in our last class when we were doing about the smaller and greater number, ma'am has told you that we have done the comparing with number 9 also. Yes, which number is near the 0 is smallest number and which number is far from 0 is called greater number. In these four digits, from these four digits you have to find the smallest number one, which is the smallest one. Okay, firstly here we have 0 and after then 1 is 1 here. No, the next is 2. Okay, इनमें 2 है. Very good. So here is the 2. 2 is smallest number from these four. In four numbers में से 2 smallest number है because 2 is near the 0. 2 is near the 0. Okay, which numbers we have? 4, 5, 2 and 9. 4, 5, 2 and 9. We have these four numbers. Which number comes first? Means near the 0 is 2. Next is 4. Another is 5 and the last is 9. Means the 2 is smallest and the 9 is greatest number. This is called ascending order. Means smallest to greatest numbers. One more example: 8, 3, 2, 5. Now which is the smallest number from these four? 8, 3, 2, 5. When we will speak counting 0, 1, 2, which comes first? 2. So 2 is the smallest number from these four. In 4 में से 2 is the smallest number. Okay. And what comes after 2? 8, 3 and 5. Which comes first? 3. Very good. 3. Now we have left only these two. Which comes first and which comes the after? 8 comes first. 8 पहले आएगा जब हम काउंटिंग स्पीक करते हैं. No, very good. 5 will comes first. So 5 is smaller and it is greatest number from these all 4 numbers. Okay. So this is called ascending orders. 2, 3, 5, 8. To arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest is called ascending orders. 8, 12, 3, 19. Again, we have one more example of ascending orders. We have to arrange these 4 numbers from smallest to greatest again. Okay. Now, tell me that which is the greater number from 8 or 12? 8 and 12 में से कौन सा greater number है? Yes, you are right. Very good. 12 is the greater. But why the 12 is greater? Yes, I hope you all knows. Yes, tell me quickly. Because 12 is a 2-digit number. 12 is 2-digit number and 8 is only 1-digit number. And 1-digit number is always smaller than 2-digit number. Yes, right? 8 is 1-digit number and 12 is 2-digit number, and 12 means 2-digit number is always greater than 1-digit number. So 12 is greater and 8 is smaller. Okay. So now we have 2 numbers of only 1 digit. 8 and 3. 8 और 3 1-digit number है. इन दोनों में से smallest number smaller कौन सा है? 8 and 3 में से which is the smaller one? 3 or 8? Which numbers come first when we are speaking counting? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which numbers come first? 8 or 3? 3 comes first. So 3 is the smaller one. And after then we have to write 8. Because these two are 2-digit numbers. These both are greater than 8. So 8 पहले आएगा. And now 12 and 19 में से 12 and 19. अब इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर ग्रेटर है? Which is greater from 12 and 19? Yes? Do you know? Always write the digit which is placed on tens. But here the both digit which are placed on tens place are same. Tens वाली side के दोनों digit same है. Then we will compare the digits which are placed on one side. Okay. So here 2 and 9. 2 digits are here. 2 is smaller one and 9 is greater. So 12 come first and 19 in the last. Understand? Good. Now we will do the next topic, that is descending order. Descending orders. Okay, what are the descending orders? Descending order means to arrange the number from greatest to smallest. 8, 2, 1, 6. 3, 9, 2, 4. Okay, from these 4 we have to find out the greatest number. Which number comes first is the smaller and which number comes after in the last is called greater number. Okay, from counting 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which number from these 4 comes last means which is the greater number? 8, 2, 1, 6. 8 is the greatest number. So first of all we will write 8. Now we have 3 numbers 2, 1 and 6. Which is the greater one? 2, 1 and 6. 6 is greater. Now we have only two numbers, 2 and 1. Which is greater and which is smaller? Okay, one thing also we have to keep in mind that which number shows the more objects is called greater number, and which number shows the less object is a smaller number. So which is more, 2 or 1? 2. So we will write 2 here and 1 in the last. In this sum, 8 is greatest number and 1 is smallest number. Okay, let's see here. 3, 9, 2 and 4. Which number is having more objects? More. 3, 9, 2 or 4. If you have candies, one of you have 3, one of you have 9, 2 and 4. Which have more? Which number is showing more candies? 9. Yes. So 9 is the greatest number. We will write 9 here. Now we have three numbers, 3, 2 and 4. Which is greater one? Which number comes first? 2, 3 and 4. We have these three numbers. This is smallest. Yes. Little bigger from this, and this is greatest number. So 4 here, then 3 and then 2. This is called descending order, to arrange the number from greatest to smallest. Okay? Understand? 16, 11, 4 and 9. Okay, now we have to arrange the numbers again in descending order. Which is the greater one, greatest one? We have the 4 numbers. Okay, 0, 4. 0, 4 means only 4. The value of 0 is nothing. And we have only 4 here. These two are 2-digit numbers. So we have to compare these two first. Which is greatest and which is smallest? 16 and 11. Which is showing more and which is less? 16. Very good. 16 is greatest. Then 11. Now we have two numbers, 4 and 9. 9 comes first and 4 in the last. 16, 11, 9, 4. Done. This is descending order. Very good. 12, 18, 9, 22. Okay, which is greatest number now? This is only 1-digit number. So this is smallest one. We will write it in the last. Done. Now we have 3, 12, 18 and 22. Okay, first of all, when we compare the numbers, always see the number which is placed on tens side. Tens side का number हम compare करते हैं. 1, 1, 2. Which is greater number? 1 or 2? 2. So 22 is the greatest one. We will write 22 here. Now we have only two numbers, 12 and 18. The both digit which are placed on 10 side, जो digit 10 side में है वो same है. Then we will compare the numbers which are placed on one side. So ones वाली side में हमारे पास 2 and 8 two numbers हैं, and 8 is greater one and 2 is smaller. So 18 पहले write करेंगे and 12 बाद में. Okay, this is again we have done the descending order. 22, 18, 12 and 9. Done. Very good, my dear students. Now do the same concept of ascending and descending orders in your notebooks. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet in our next class. Okay. Bye.